Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, north central Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:31 Texas, north central Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-sized hail. Locations and catches include Town Mall, Jersey Village, Spring Branch North, Spring, Northeastern Attic, Park 10, Spring Branch West, Cook Airport, West Branch, Willow, Fairbanks, or Northwest Crossing, Cypress, Carbondale, Greater Inwood, and Spring Branch Central. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
No. Trader the Jesus not right. Oh,
Severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, north central Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Jersey Village, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. The National Weather Service damage has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, north central Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm or Northwest Crossing, Cypress, Carbondale, Greater Inwood, and Spring Branch Central. 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-sized hail on the lowest floor of the building. Radar indicates torrential rainfall is occurring with hail damage to vehicles and flash flooding. Expect to drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Katie just missed it.
National Weather Service include Town Mall, Jersey Village, Spring Branch North, Spring, Northeastern Attic, Spring Branch West, Cook Airport, West Branch, Willow, Fairbanks, Northwest Crossing, Cypress, Carbondale, Greater Inwood, and Spring Branch Central. For your protection, you can interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
This station is activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System at the request of the National Weather Service in League City because of a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Montgomery and Harris County until 4 p.m. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System. This station is activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System at the request of the National Weather Service in League City because of a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Montgomery and Harris counties until 4 p.m. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System. This station is activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System at the request of the National Weather Service in League City because of a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Montgomery and Harris counties until 4 p.m. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System.
Patu Balde is one of those who's been arguing in court against them. She's the founder and CEO of a group called Women in Liberation and Leadership, and she's recently from the Gambia.
I was between the age of 7
Wait
and
for them.
8 when I was
Is King Russia to the one with the cases, you know? Is that not going to the one too? It's way too worse than ever.
I realized that we were all put in one long line, several girls of us.
Who ain't like pushing on it?
That was, but also one of the memories that I still have, and I hear this from many survivors because when the procedure happened is without anesthetic, without any medication. One of the things that is done every morning and evening.
There we go. Oh damn, it's at the door.
Southwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, north central Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time. 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Jersey Village, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in Texas include Tomball, Jersey Village, Spring Branch North, Spring, Northeastern Attic, Park 10, Spring Branch West, Airport, West Branch, Willowbrook, Fairbanks, Fort Northwest Crossing, Cypress, Carbondale, Greater Inwood, and Spring Branch Central. For your protection, you will stay a room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
What the pass SGX? You're surrounded by, you're welcome here. Wait a minute, they not saying you're welcome here anymore. Mine is in the county too. County is on the west. Shit, are you kidding me now? This is no fucking way. I just issued SPO for the 9 minutes. Come on, Jesus. I think about the something that's on the way to the Galveston area. I think it's possible for the warnings are different expected. What the piss? SCX is still around it. What the son of the fuck? What the piss, SCX? You're still around it? Here we go. You shit. It was too chaotic, so the freaking.
Lake Charles has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Hardin County in southeastern Texas until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:31 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Beaumont, Lumberton, Silsbee, Kuntz, and Bevel Oaks. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Jeez. Call it WTAW. I got the second twice. Dude, that was the first line of that. I did WTAW.
What? Small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of southeast Texas, including the following counties: Harris and Montgomery. When? Until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Texas, including the following counties: rivers, Harris and Montgomery, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Additional details at 12:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Details at 12:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in a warned area. Between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Flooding includes additional Village, The Woodland, Oak Ridge North, Panorama Village, Shenandoah, Cut and Shoot, Montgomery, Woodlow, Lake Charles, The Woodlands, Pavilion and Chateau Woods, Panorama Village, Shenandoah, Cut and Shoot, and Montgomery flooded roads, Lake Conroe Dam, Woodlands, Pavilion and Chateau Woods. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service. Do so safely. flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of southeast Texas, including the following counties: Harris and Montgomery. When? Until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Streams continue to rise due to excess runoff from earlier rainfall. Additional details at 12:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warm area. It can include 5 inches of rain per hour. Additional rainfall and rains are possible in the warm area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Conroe, Lewis, the Woodlands, Oak Ridge North, Panorama Village, Shenandoah, Cut and Shoot, Montgomery, Woodruff, West Conroe Dam, the Woodlands, Pavilion, and Capitol Woods. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.
Very cautious. I see this is a model programming and fucking it is. FLW. Good.
Small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? A portion of southeast Texas, including the following counties: Harris and Montgomery. When? Until 2:30 p.m. Central.
The station is activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service of Lake City has issued a flood warning for Harris County and Montgomery County until 2:30 p.m. Flooding of rivers, streams, and other low-lying locations is given at 4:28 p.m. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain with thunderstorms, between 3 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 1 inch in one area. Again, a flood warning in effect for Harris and Montgomery counties until 2:30 p.m. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System.
Let's see what it's saying.
Up to 1 inch are possible in includes activation of the Houston area emergency alert system.
This guy. God damn it. You shouldn't have wanted for it. I can't see warning now. Come on, into focus. Yeah, you see a lot getting for the fucking one county. Oh yeah, so not only that you see that this is the dream sky of the new radio, but also I recognize what the fuck you want? It's still not activate, Sure, that will completely spending for this is not already. The CL100 does not activate the warnings. Also the MTT19 was not on the activate warnings. And this dream sky, definitely not an unorganized warning! Look at this! Dude. See those red lights and the fucking message of you did go off. Did you go off with the freak? The guns. By the way, I guess whatever. My other stream was activated. My first activated fucking. This is not a potential again. But motherfuckers for the world side. You do this shit problems. See how could see all it's this one. This radio is song about. Big South County.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for North Central Dade County. At 6:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over San Antonio, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near San Antonio International Airport, and Capitol Park around 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
My God, this TR. Everything with blocks. Everything with blocks. Look at this dude. I get it totally impossible.
Beginning at 12:29 a.m. Thursday, July 16th and ending at 12:29 a.m. Friday, July 17th. Medina County advises Danny's residents the Seco is rising rapidly. Those in flood-prone areas are asked to move to higher ground immediately. Additional information will be released as soon as it becomes available. For shelter information, please contact Emergency Management at 830-455-0129. Monitor Medina County at www.weather.gov for updates.
Support for TV.
Flash flood emergency for Bernie. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Kendall County until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday. At 12:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Emergency Management reported flash flooding in Bernie. Between 4 and 12 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. High water rescues are in progress and some people are stranded. This is a flash flood emergency for Bernie. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, Emergency Management reported. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bernie, Cascade Caverns and Scenic Oaks. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Flash flood emergency for Dehannes. The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a flash flood warning for West Central Medina County until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time Wednesday. At 12:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Emergency Management reported flash flooding in Dehannes. Between 4 and 10 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Seco Creek is rising rapidly. Those in flood-prone areas along the creek are asked to move to higher ground immediately. This is a flash flood emergency for Dehannes. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Rapid rises on Seco Creek. Source, Emergency Management reported. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dehannes. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
I never see the Medina County. It's out of nowhere. Out of nowhere. Another FFE is still rising. Oh my god, it's out of nowhere. Look. See this? See this out of nowhere. FFE. FFE. Oh my god. FFE is on the law enforcement. Oh, that's damn bad laws. Damn better than one counties. This is extremely dangerous. Look at this. This is possibly the 8 hours before I'm going to the fucking island of San Antonio. 2 FFEs. You're nowhere. Oh my fucking gosh. There's a curve available. I guess this is possible 1 year ago. But it's still rising. There's another second of the fucking use FFE. Go extra money. Zach! What is this?
This name's on single systems. Serious health problem. I'm John Warren, board certified master arborist with the Bartlett Tree Expert Company. And Bartlett can address these stresses and get
Focus, dude.
on the road to help at bartlett.com.
The September Getaway Sale Thing happening at World Cup Monday. You can save thousands. But now's the time to buy.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for East Central Dade County until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Calaveras Lake or near Station Municipal Airport, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near China Grove around 4:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Atkins, South Bend, Sayers, and Florida. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
I called it. Has busy till on. Busy till on. I call another. Wait a second. It's over. I call relay. WAI. Wait a minute. Oh, well, this is 200 WLAI because still 200. Oh yeah. I know. Okay, I'll go check it anymore. Jeff, hey Jeff, wait. But you still you couldn't that extra many times. So the big star counties. So you freaking assholes.
Here's the doggone truth. You want to know how they think. They understand full well, just like that Senate in ancient Rome, that there are going to be southeastern Bexar County until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Elmendorf, or 10 miles northwest of Floresville, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Elmendorf and Calaveras late around 5:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Atkins, Sayers, Paria, and Broad Lake. Take cover now. Move to the basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Dude.
San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Guadalupe County, north central Wilson County, east central Bexar County until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Calaveras Lake, or 13 miles south of Congress, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near St. Edward around 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Ville around 6:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Schertz and Sunderland around 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. New Berlin around 6:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Atkins and Friendly Corner. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
I told it! They said, call it the fucking Jeff. Jeff, you couldn't dedicate the WLEI and submit us. Also, this Jeff for the Jeff, go to 1200, go to WLEI because it will be lame. Thank God.
Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Bexar County until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Government Canyon State Natural Area, or 14 miles west of San Antonio, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Helotes and Government Canyon State Natural Area around 10:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include San Geronimo, Green Forest, and Scenic Oaks. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
I called it! Jeff, I called it for this is a 200. Changing it back with times. You said I called it. You said I called it. I'm gonna go to the big Sun County. Another tea on the second. One more chance. Might get off the pen. You stick it off the pen. This is about athletic street by different levels jobs. Oh, you're so. Not only that, this is the issues of the polygon in Bexar County. This is a polygon that makes sure that tornado in San Antonio. See that tornado in San Antonio is possible. Tornado when possible. You see, this is OVA. Great Forest is underground tornado. And this is like Bexar County, one counties. The KSYM and Dustin Relay. Fucking time. This is absolutely incredible. This is a look at this. All the polluted moisture flooding. And this is something about the Fredericksburg and Austin, the St. Michael's, New Braunfels. I'm gonna go to San Antonio State International Airport. Let's go to the one in the Bexar County. Only the one counties. What the fuck? I just supposed to do record videos of my. I just record the video of my fucking for the tornadoes earlier. So because you are going to the flying debris and they're dangerous. Woo! Shaping the fucking myself again and the moistures. Up it. Fuck you, this. Fuck you, my ass for death.